Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this miniature bathroom. If you would like to know how I made the rest of the apartment, make sure you click the link in the info box. Cover a piece of paperboard and marble contact paper to make the bathroom floor, wrap a piece of cardboard in white paper to make a wall, and glue 2 strips of cardboard to the other walls to support the second floor. Cut out a piece of cardboard that is about 1 centimeter thick and cover the area where you want the bathtub to be in white contact paper. These are the pieces for the bathtub. Cut them out according to those measurements and wrap them in contact paper as well. It's important that you don't see any cardboard on the inside of the tub and on the edge. And now put all the pieces together using hot glue. I've decided to cover the outside of the tub in contact paper that looks like wood, but only the parts that will be visible because the back and the right side will be facing the wall. If that is not the case in your dollhouse, you obviously have to go all the way around, cut off the excess, and now apply hot glue to the edges of the tub and place it on the platform. I'm using egg carton to make miniature tiles. Cut out tiles that are about 3 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters long and try to get as many tiles as possible out of one egg carton. As you can see, this material has a variety of textures which I really like. Now glue the squares all the way around the bathtub. This is a paperboard strip that I cut out. It is 1 centimeter wide and I'm going to glue it to the edge of the platform. Cut out another one for the front, attach the bathtub and the platform to a bigger piece of cardboard and repeat the steps. Now you can paint the floor in the color of your choice. I applied 3 layers of paint to get more coverage, and I also added some clear drying sealer to give the tiles some shine. Place the tub inside of the bathroom and continue by cutting cork into little bricks. In my case they are 3 centimeters long and 1 centimeter wide. Now glue them to the wall. I'm using hot glue, but you can use whatever you're more comfortable with since the tiles are very small and you might burn yourself if you're not very careful. Apply clear drying sealer on top of the cork bricks and paint it in a color of your choice. I'm reusing this shower head and this water tap from a previous video. I will put the link in the info box if you would like to watch that. The color is the only thing that I've changed, and then I simply glued it to the brick wall. As you can see, I added a few more bricks to the other walls, and here you see me gluing a paperboard strips to the edge to make it look more tidy. I cut out more paperboard strips and painted them white to make skirting boards and to hide the edge of the wall. Cut out 2 pieces of cardboard and 1 piece of paperboard to make the sink. They all have to be the same size. The process to make the sink is very easy. Simply cut the same rectangle shape in the cardboard pieces, glue them together and cover them in marble contact paper like you see me doing it in the video. And that's it. If you would like to know how I made this cabinet, click the link in the info box and watch this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!